Watch the full video please.
Dang, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
What you doing? You missing your whole head, man. Apply the water on your head, not back in the sink after you done took it out. What? Alright, bro. Alright, apply the shampoo. Alright, apply the shampoo. That's besides the point. Alright, we just gonna jump right into the lather. Lather looking pretty good on the first wash. You feel me? Detangling shower brush. Or just a regular detangler brush. Noodles. I see noodles. Not really. But the lather's going now. I ain't really see no noodles. Okay, the sides lathering pretty. Alright, forget it. It's lathering pretty good. The sides, they were lathering pretty good. You taking mad long to, you gonna rinse your hair like that? Why you ain't just hop in the shower? My fiance sacrificed his waist for me because I couldn't find my scarf. He's a beginner. He has to be. He has to be a beginner. First off, that's poly. That's not silk. Second off, what elite waver only has one do-rag? Alright, what we got today, we got a wave check with the blue do-rag, you feel me? We matching, but mine's 216 wavy. It's better, you feel me? Let's get it, silky. Woo! That's too good to be. You wearing a wig, bro? That's a wig, right? That junk glistening, glistering. You better, why you showing me the toilet, man? I want to see your waves. I don't care about the toilet, man. Yo, great connection, great shine, silky. Got a fork right there. Y'all see it, right? Y'all see that fork on that top right? Crown needs a little bit more work. Just a little bit more work. But yo, them some dope waves, man. Welcome to the 360 Juice podcast. Right now we're looking at a fire haircut. You feel me? You see the lineup. Lineup look crispy, ashy. No, it's not ashy. Stop playing. It's just sharp. It's too sharp. It's gonna cut you. You feel me? Make sure you look at this video with some goggles on, so you don't cut your eyes. You feel me? Look at the waves spinning. Stop playing. Alright, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about blackouts in the comments, bro. Like, I think blackouts are like catfish. I mean, I kind of feel some type of way when I have blackouts in, but you know, you can't really brush your hair with it. When you brush your hair, that happens. You feel me? Hey, man, y'all already know. Only reason I clicked on this video because that lather looks immaculate, bro. What the? So today I want to do a wash and style. You about to do a wash and style? What's the first thing you need to do? Gotta wet. Okay, you gotta pick your hair out. Then you gotta wet that junk. You feel me? Gotta wet. What's wrong with the back of your head? You wolfing back there or something? Okay, he wolfing back there, and then the rest he cut off. I get you, bro. I get you. All right. You got the shampoo in there already? What you doing? Oh, he did all that before he even wet his hair. Okay, that's new. Alright, wet your hair. Dang, he taking mad. Okay. Apply the shampoo. Lather looking pretty decent on the first wash. Alright, scrub it in there. I think we're gonna have a part 2 because video mad long. We halfway through the video. He ain't even brushed yet, man. Okay, detangling shower brush. Let's see if you're gonna go in with a real brush. Okay, a firm brush. Put the do-rag on, rinse it out. Dang, bro. Okay. Alright. Yeah, that look good right there, man. Need some more work, but you look.
Today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to get straight hair waves.
He gonna teach us how to get straight hair waves.
So
Alright.
my conditioner.
Conditioner? That's not how you get waves. That's how you wash your waves. Alright.
So first you gotta
Oh no.
nice lather.
Your junk is super straight, man. You ain't got no curls in there. I thought you was brushing. You had a whole do-rag on, bro.
See?
You don't put the do-rag on until you brush, man. Did you wet your hair first?
Some more maybe?
Nah, you gotta put water so it can lather up, man. Alright, where's the water? Add some water in there.
All up in there. No bag.
Maybe he had water in there already, so you know I ain't even gonna. What's next?
Now you're gonna brush it down.
Okay, brush it down. You need a mirror, bro. Get a handheld mirror so you can see what you're doing.
Nice lather.
Sheesh, that leather not. It's not that nice, bro.
Okay, guys, do-rag is on. Follow for wave.
Part 2? What you doing?
Yeah, tag 360 Juice in the comments.
I'm tagged, but I don't like. $100 for that haircut. Why? $100. Why? I better see some immaculate something. That hairline better be immaculate. Oh, okay. I just saw some lather. Oh, that's why that junk $100. That junk looking clean. Ooh. And the way spinning. Y'all see them ropes? What we doing in washing style? Okay, pick the hair out, you feel me? Apply some water. Thought he was putting bleach in this. I'm like, hold up. But nah, that's not bleach, that's water, you feel me? What you doing? Oh, you picking out some more. Man. Well, now that shrink is crazy. That shrink is crazy. What you doing? What's the lather? What's that? That shampoo? Why is it not lathering up? What you doing? Why you twisting your junks, bro? What the lather, man? You gonna do the other half or no? Okay, there we go. Where's the lather though? You got some mousse? Put some mousse in that junk. I wanna see some lather, man. That's why I clicked on your video, bro. Stop showing the. Alright, bro. This man crazy. Bro. Yes, sir. What we about to do? Washing style. Got the shampoo in there. You feel me? What take is that? Hold up. That's Nair, bro. That's the stuff that you use to shave. You about to shampoo your hair with Nair? What? I ain't gonna lie, that lather look immaculate. I'm not immaculate, but the lather look pretty good. So don't judge me. I like the lather, but damn. Why you do that? Oh dang. You spinning. Ropey. Definitely in there. Great shine. Got a couple of forks right there. Work on the crown. Spinning. 2 weeks of wolf. 2 weeks of wolf. You need more lather than that. I could barely see the noodles, man. Where the lather at? What? Comment passer de boucle au waves. You want to test my French? Let's get it. Mouiller tes cheveux. Premier shampooing. Yes. Apply the shampoo. Mais le shampoo. What? Après shampooing. After the shampoo. What are you doing? Okay. Rinse. Remettre de shampooing et brosse. Okay. Brush. What's the okay? The lather's in there. I don't know what that. What am I talking? Where the noodles at? That's what I'm talking about. Where the noodles at? Okay, it's decent. It's decent. You know, I ain't even gonna lie. The lather look. Rincez avec le Durag et là, I forgot. Voilà le résultat. Resultat. I said resultat. You did pretty good. How's my French though? Alright, y'all, we got a wave check. About 360 wave process. You know, he always doing those wave checks. But yo, this dude right here, he did not come to play. He did not come to play, bro. Look at the shine, the connections. Got a couple forks on that left side. The right side looks decent. Right side looks good, pretty good. The swirl pattern is in there. He ain't come to play, man. Alright, y'all, this dude right here did not come to play neither. Honestly, man, this look like a, yo, move your head, man, move your head. I mean, your waves look good too, but I'm trying to look at that one. Look like a kit. But yo, it's probably not. He probably just be putting in work. You too, boy Jimmy. What up, man? It's your boy Jimmy. Peigner, that means brush. That means comb, not brush. Alright, comb your hair back, you feel me? This is an option. You don't really have to comb your hair back. Premier shampooing. Add the shampoo for the first time. It don't have the lather, guys. All right, this is battling all the products, the dirt and everything. So, rincer le cheveux. I mean, rinse that junk. Come on, man. I'm trying to speak French and English. Come on, give me some slack, man. Détangle le brosse pendant 5 minutes. I was about to say 5 minutes, bro. We speaking French. That lather look immaculate, though, bro. Boy, Jimmy. That lather look immaculate, bro. Immaculate. How you say immaculate in French? Immaculate. Immaculate. Yo, look at that lather, bro. That's crazy. Sheesh. It's going now, you know. I understand, you feel me? When you're going with a brush, with the regular brush, the lather tends to disappear. You feel me? That's why I like the detangling shower brush. Let's get it unrag, man. Take the do-rag off. Le washing style est done. Est fini. Nice, man. Trying to get waves. Yo, you skipped a whole lot of steps, man. I ain't see no lather, bro.